Hello little friends, how are you today? Guess what? A brave superhero is here to meet you. It's Fire Hero. He's strong, he's brave, and his favorite color is red. Do you know what the color red means? Red means apples, roses, fire, school buses. Can you look around and find something red near you? Try it. Now let's play a quick game. I'll show you 3 things. You tell me which one is red. This one.
3、2、1。
Wow!
Nope, that's blue. This.
3、2、1。
Wow!
Nope, that's yellow. What about this one?
3、2、1。
Yes, you got it. That's red. Great job. One day, Fire Hero was walking in the forest. Suddenly, he heard a sound. Tweet, tweet. A little baby bird had fallen from the tree. What did Fire Hero do? He gently picked up the bird and placed it back in its nest. Then he smiled and said, "Don't be afraid, little bird. I'm your friend." And friends, that's what real heroes do. They help, they care, and they make others feel safe.
Fire hero, full of flame. Fire hero, full of flame. Brave and bold, that's his name. 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 Where there's a bow, he will go. Where there's a bow, he will go. With love and care, he'll make it glow. With love and care, he'll make it glow.
Final message: be a hero. You can be just like Fire Hero too. If you don't give up, help your friends, always be kind, then one day you'll become a true hero too. Goodbye. That's all for today. Next time, we'll meet another superhero friend. Till then, stay happy, keep smiling, and keep learning. Bye-bye.